You know who I had actually pop up on my For You page this week, chat? I hadn't seen him in a while. There's this guy who has like a pet seagull. It's not actually his pet. He just like lives near him, and he's trained him to come over and get food over the last like 2 years. I hadn't seen him in a bit. He popped back up recently because the seagull had babies. Hang on. You guys gotta see Steven. We start here, and then I think babies are somewhere around here. If you've never seen this, this is awesome. It's, basically, the seagull comes to his... You'll see. Okay. So then he comes inside, and then he sits down. Like, I remember watching this when he was originally, like, trying to get him to come inside. It took, like, a year plus. Now there's two of them. Okay.
Seagull mating season has begun, which means we're gonna need a lot of salmon. My little man needs his sustenance.
Sustenance, and some pineapple juice.
So cheeky. Come inside, son.
Just having a scan. You can't be too careful during mating season.
It's every gull for themselves.
And they all want what I have.
You can always find shelter with me, buddy. And ingest some meat.
Incredible.
I've been giving Steven 2 slices. Because I know he secretly shares it. With his new partner Ethan.
We also share a toothbrush.
I'm still on the fence with Ethan. But at least Steven's getting some.
We're going for a dozen eggs.
He just inhales
I
it.
hope you'll stick around when they hatch.
Of course he will. Won't you, Ethy?
We. Faux shizzle baby.
Let's go celebrate this on the roof.
Be right there. Daddy needs to drop a fat deuce.
See,
Wait, I want to see the babies. There's one with the babies in it. I love how he walks
Get inside
in.
me.
patience, buddy.
He just like walks in his house. It's just like, yep.
Sweet. Cheers, brother.
Oh, and then he has the water cup. I forgot about that.
We.
And,
The seagull mating season is in full swing.
We.
oh, we're almost to the
All day,
babies.
every day, Steven and Ethan can't keep their wings off each other.
We're going for a dozen eggs this year.
A new record.
What can I say, kid? Mama knows how to ruffle some feather.
They do look ruffled.
11 times.
Yous must be starving.
You know it, bitch.
Sardine time. Come hither, sweetie.
I know the routine.
Gucci, slicey, and absorb. Steven, you've juiced all over me.
Only way I know how. Ain't that right, Ethan?
Damn right.
Chop chop.
These
bitch.
give me so much
Steven, you're
joy.
out of control, but you can eat. So I'll let it slide.
My hormones do be crazy.
Relax with a sippy. Feeling better?
Piss off.
Hang on, I hope this is the one with the babies. The babies are so cute.
While feeding my pet seagull
Okay, it's
to
coming
gain
up,
his
though.
trust.
Hurry up, bitch. Ethan's guarding the nest.
And doing a terrific job.
Terrific, my ass. Man's got the attention span of an Oh My Chrysler. Ethan, get your ass back on the nest.
Sorry, Stevie. I was just taking a piss.
Lies. I know you were with the neighbor Kevin.
Are things okay at home?
It's nothing really. Everybody's doing
Aw.
it with Kevin.
So true. Are you hungry?
Do you even have to ask?
You inhale it every time.
Yes.
Did he go so hard?
I love that they take shifts. Ethan guards the eggs,
Bitch.
while Steven works on eating every last molecule. To then return to the nest. And not share anything at all.
You're goddamn right.
While feeding my...
Okay, is this the one? Is this the babies?
It's time for Steven to ingest his meat.
No, I think
Sweet
we're almost there.
And oh so juicy. Little man. You wanna wrestle?
Don't make me beat your ass again.
I guess.
Oh my god, he inhales it.
Oh my.
Just gone.
That was divine.
You are the throat goat.
See ya, homie.
It's time for Steven.
I think this is the one where the baby is. I think I saw this one already. It's either this one or the next one. Oh no, it's the next one because there's no music on it. Wait, why does he look like that? Wait, why does he look like that? What? Why is he doing him like that? Poor guy. Dude, that thing got deleted.
I think the eggies are almost ready to hatch.
Oh, I think it is the next one. Okay, ready?
I think my pet seagull's babies have finally hatched.
And they are ready for dinner. Sweet pinky tenderness.
Hop up, my son. And park those little cheeks.
There is no time. I gotta get back to the kids.
Go crazy.
Yes.
You okay?
Yeah. This one's for the babies.
So overwhelmed
Wait, are
with
they-
emotion, he forgot
Did
the
they
last
hatch?
slice.
Mama scored big tonight, babies.
Oh, they did!
Oh baby, a
They
triple.
did hatch! The little babies!
So proud of my little buddy.
Wee. Time for Ethy.
They're so small.
Ethan,
Yeah, bitch.
congrats on the babies.
Thank you.
Now piss off.
Bro
I
is
think
guzzling that fish and worms faster than a glizzy guzzler.
Today we're gonna use the big camera to
True.
film my pet seagull's new babies.
Oh, is this where... I think you get a good shot of the babies here.
Feed me, bitch.
Sup, homie.
It gives me so much joy watching these, I swear.
Get lost.
There you go, Ethan.
Sick.
See ya, bitch. Gotta feed the babies. Wake up, you little fluff muffins. Mama scored you some wormies.
Divine. We.
Oh.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Those tiny little flaps are too much. I can't wait to watch them grow up. Today we're gonna...
Dude, that's so cute. That is so cute.
See ya, bitch.
This isn't even the first time. I remember this happened. I remember watching this last year. It was like a different set of babies.
Gotta
They nested on this roof last time
feed the
too.
babies. Wake up, you little fluff muffins. Mama scored you some wormies.
Divine. We.
Woo.
We.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Those tiny little flaps are too much. I can't wait to watch them grow up. Today we're
What's the
gonna
next
use
one? Is it another one with the babies?
We.
Dude. The amount of joy petting a seagull must bring you.
See ya, bitch.
Aww. He took it back. Wait, what a dick.
See ya, bitch.
Wait, He coughs up the food for them, lets them take a couple bites, and then yoinks it. Yoinks it back. What a dick. Is there another one?
Earlier today, after giving my pet Seagull.
Oh yeah, okay,
Earlier
5 days
today,
ago.
After giving my pet Seagull the last of his wormies.
The wormies are finished.
He was refusing to leave.
No. I can smell the salmon.
Come on now, son.
Piss off.
You do as you are told.
You think this barrier can stop me?
Maybe, if I wave it a little.
Daddy, chill.
Good man.
We.
Steven.
Bitch. Die.
Don't make me count to 3.
3. Come on, man. Just a little salmon.
Steven, boundaries.
We.
Steven, you've gotta be kidding me.
I'll be back later with my pistol.
I gotta hand it to him. Man's hustle is relentless.
That's fucking awesome. Alright, last one. I gotta get my food.
We.
We got more wormies. Dude, I don't know which one I like more, the worms or the salmon. The crunchies are cool, but he just inhales the salmon.
See ya, bitch.
Bye.